Welcome to another video tutorial of our PSS Pro Series accounting software. Today we'll be showing you how to transfer inventory from one location to the next. So we are currently on our dashboard. We would need to go to inventory control. We can locate inventory control by going to File, Open, and select inventory control, or we can just go to inventory control menu on the dashboard. We would then locate transfer inventory. After selecting transfer inventory, the transfer inventory window will then be displayed. What you will notice that you currently have access to the from location and to location. So we're going to select items, we're going to select our from location, and I'm going to select warehouse. And our to location, I'm going to select athletic clothing location. After doing so, the system will request of reference. Your reference could be numbers, it could be anything to describe the purpose of the transfer, reasons for the transfer, or just to keep track of the sequence, and add a reference number if you'd like to add a reference number. So our reference would be restocking. After doing so, you will then go to item entry. Select item entry and you are now able to scan or to search for the description of the items, or you can even select list. I'm going to select list and select an item. So I'm selecting the item here, that item which is described as a t-shirt in the system. So it's a green t-shirt, description is t-shirt, the item SKU number is green shirt, the description is t-shirt. Alright, so this item is listed here with all the information that is needed. You will then go down to quantity and add the amount that you want to transfer. Alright, after doing so, you have these three options over here: item information, save, and cancel. Cancel would clear the information that you entered, in enabling you to re-enter the details. Item information will just populate a window that provides you with information on the item. So what we're going to do is save the item. System is confirming if you want to save item information. Click save. It's informing that no lot number is assigned to item. You just simply select OK. The item will then be added to a list, and clicking on save will save the item to the listing, to the item listing of the items you like to transfer. Now to view that item listing, it will be right here next to item entry. You click on this section here, you will see the items listed down. So you add any more items here, you will see it will appear in this section, showing the quantity, the unit cost, the discount if any, and the total of the 120 shirts costing $1,200 each. In this section you can find item. If there's a list and you have to locate a particular item to see if you enter the correct amount, you can then edit the item. Right, it goes back to here where you can re-edit the information on that section, on the item entry section, which we didn't do an edit, we just show the functionality of that. Or you can delete the item. Deleting the item will clear the item from this listing. Alright, so now that we have our items here, or item rather, we're going to go ahead and select save. Once we save that information, it allows us to save the transfer. Once you save the transfer, you would have to then, there's another step in which you would have to go to actually have this completed. Now it says transfer save 1 of 1. It shows you 1 of 1 because it's only one item on the listing, and your transaction number will be 59. You go ahead and click OK. The system will ask if you'd like to print a transaction form. In this case, we're not going to print the form, we'll just continue with the transfer process. Now after doing so, we're going to exit this inventory transfer screen, and that's how you would transfer an item or items from one location to another. Thank you very much for watching.